Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to enable or turn on music haptics on iPhone iOS 18. So the essence of the music haptics is for you to be able to feel the haptics of the music while playing. So the beat will be vibrating on your phone, and then you can easily feel it how the beat goes. So if you want to turn this on, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and then on the settings page scroll down, and then make sure select accessibility. Then on the accessibility page scroll down until you get to music haptics here. Click on it. Now once you click on it, you see the music haptics turned off. So in your case, go ahead and turn this on. Now you can play sample. Then once you play the sample, you're going to feel haptics in form of vibration on the phone. So each time you are playing music on your iPhone, then you feel the haptics or in form of vibration on your iPhone with the music haptics turned on. So you can just go ahead and then stop playing sample. So once you have this turned on, then you can now go ahead and start playing music on your iPhone to feel the haptics. So that is basically how to turn on music haptics on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.